लोकप्रिय नेता अरविंद केजरीवाल आपके बीच पहुंच चुके हैं।
As dusk approached on Monday, the last day of campaigning in the capital, the loudspeakers fell silent. The drumbeats rolled down and the candidates got off their campaigning vehicles. The curtains fell on a month of hectic campaigning, high-voltage drama, the narrative and counter-narrative, with each of the three main parties claiming that they will sweep Delhi Assembly polls. And what a campaign it has been. Incumbent AAP saw a fast and furious month with one controversy after another, with Purvanchali and Punjabi vote banks coming to forefront, from polluted Yamuna to free electricity. Basic necessities also found their way to AAP's poll campaign. With raids on its star campaigners, top leaders campaigning after prison time, and corruption charges against them, AAP is fighting anti-incumbency in Delhi after being in power for 10 years. On the other hand, Bharatiya Janata Party, which has been out of power in the national capital for 27 years, led an aggressive campaign, from the top brass leading the blitzkrieg to holding press conferences every day. BJP brought the A game of its election machinery.
BJP's blitzkrieg in battle for Delhi. Now with the slogan of Aapda Sarkar Jayegi, Bhajpa Aayegi, big guns of the BJP are on the ground holding 22 mega road shows and also numerous rallies across the national capital on the last day of election campaigning. Now, in fact, calling out the alleged corruption and governance failures of the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP central leadership has hit out at Arvind Kejriwal over the Sheesh Mahal Rao and also pollution at Yamuna, while at the same time trying to garner votes in the name of Modi Ki Guarantee.
The campaign for Delhi election also witnessed a rift in India bloc. Congress, which is fighting a battle for survival in the capital despite a semblance of revival in the Lok Sabha polls, openly took on ally Kejriwal's AAP.
We know its primary challenger is Aam Aadmi Party and not BJP. The leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, went on to criticize Mr. Kejriwal's failure to deliver on its promises, its corruption allegations, and also said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Arvind Kejriwal are two sides of the same coin. It is going to be a tough fight between these two parties of the India alliances, with strong candidates like former Chief Minister's son, Sandeep Dixit, taking on Arvind Kejriwal directly from the New Delhi constituency, and Congress candidate Alka Lamba fighting against sitting CM Atishi from the Kalkaji constituency. It is going to be an interesting fight as Congress is eyeing to secure at least 24 of seats in the national capital in the assembly elections.
Before the announcement of poll dates, both AAP and Congress made it clear that they won't be fighting the Delhi polls together. Throughout their campaign, Congress brass hit out at Kejriwal and AAP government. But over a decade-long hiatus from power may be too much to cover with relatively few leaders to back on. With Congress trying to recreate its 2024 political revival, BJP going all out to end its 27-year-long Delhi drought, and ruling AAP seeking a third term, the national capital is caught in a fierce three-way political contest. The question is, where does this leave the voters? With Malvika Murli, Bureau Report, NDTV.